Hi, and Assalamualaikum. My name is Azam. My metric number 0121F1117. Today, I want to present about PPT for open source operating system. For task 1 is installing APS-FTP server. First, we type sudo and then type sudo apt update, and then they will install the PS FTP server, and then we can get the reading package list, and then we can get the message time, and then reading start information also done. And then we type sudo apt install vsftpd ftpufw-y, and then reading package list can also be done, and then reading start information also done. And then FTP server can install in our Ubuntu, and then after we install the SFTP server, the terminal I can give the message active running, and then we also can start the BSFTP server, and then we can go to the task 2, and then my friend Grace will continue the presentation.
Thank you, Amma. My name is Grace Passohui, and my number metric is 01DDT21F1052. So I will continue with the task 2, configure VSFTP server. So first, we need to back up of the original config file /etc/vsftpd/vsftpd.conf. So before we use this command, we have to use the command sudo nano to get inside. And next, we need to open the vsftpd config file and modify with the following options. So here we can see that the run standalone vsftpd can run either from an init or as an standalone daemon started from an init script, and we give the command listen no. So we continue with this directive enables listening on IPv6 sockets. So by default, listening on IPv6, any address will accept connections from both IPv6 and IPv4 clients. It is not necessary to listen on both IPv4 and IPv6 address. Then you must run 2 copies of VSFTPD with 2 configurations file. So we give the command listen_IPv6 yes. So let's see the last allow anonymous FTP, and this is disabled by default. So we have to use the command sudo nano before we use the command /etc/vsftpd.conf. So we can look at the entry that label write_enable equal to no and change the value to yes. And we can see at the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 5th line is uncomment this to enable any form of FTP write command. So we have write that write_enable equal to yes. And we have to allow the anonymous users to upload the files. The global write enable equal to yes must be set. So the default is yes. So the command has given that is anon_upload_enable equal to yes. So if we want to allow anonymous users create new folder. We have to give the command anon underscore mkdir underscore write underscore enable equal to yes. So whether we want to activate the directly welcome message function. So when a user access a directory on the server for the first time in command mode, the FTP server will display a welcome message. So with this, you can use the command dir message underscore enable equal to yes. And we have seen that the command have been used to configure the FTP server. Alright, let's continue with the activate login of uploads or downloads. So the command is given and have been entering, that is xfer log underscore enable equal to yes. So the default value is no, and if we enable, the system will maintain a log file of server uploads and downloads. So make sure the port transfer connections originate from port 20, that is FTP data. Connect from port 20 is equal to yes. If you want, you can arrange for uploaded anonymous files to be owned by a different user, and using root for upload files is not recommended. We have used the command chown underscore uploads equal to yes, chown underscore username equal to whoever. So you may override where the log file goes if you like. The default is shown below. So we have entered the command sfer log underscore file equal to /vrl /log vsftpd.log. And if you want, you can have your log file in standard FTPD sfer log format, and note that the default log file location is /vir/log/sfer log in this case. So we have used the command sfer log underscore std underscore format equal to yes. So this command, if enabled, the transfer log file will be written in a standard form of format. And you may change the default value for timing out and idle section. So we have set the timeout section is like 600, and you may change the default value for timing out a data connection. So we have set the data connection timeout for 120, and the command is data underscore connection underscore timeout equal to 120. Okay, next we continue with, it is recommended that you define on your own system on a unique user which the FTP server can use as a totally isolated and unprivileged user. So we have used command noprtv underscore user equal to FTP secure. So enable this and server will recognize asynchronous abort requests. So not recommended for security. The code is non-trivial, not enabled. So we use the command async underscore abor underscore enable equal to yes. So this command is setting up only needs to be enabled if the FTP client will issue the SYNC abort command. So generally, this setting is not safe, so it is usually cancelled. And by default, the server will pretend to allow SCII mode, but in fact ignore the request. Turn on the below options to have the server actually to do. So be aware on some FTP server, the SCII that supports allows a denial of service. So we have used the command ASCII underscore outlook underscore enable equal to yes, and the command ASCII underscore download underscore enable equal to yes. So this can enable the users to upload and download the folder, and you may fully customize the login banner string. So we have type command ftpd underscore banner equal to welcome to blah FTP service. And you may also specify a file of disallowed anonymous email address, apparently useful for combating certain DOS attacks. So we have write command deny underscore email deny enable equal to yes. So default follows. We have also write the command man underscore email underscore files equal to slash etc slash vsftp vspt vsftpd dot ban underscore emails. So we can also restrict the local users to their home directories, and you can see the FAQ for the possible risks in this before using the CRUD underscore local CRUD underscore local underscore user or CRUD underscore list underscore enable below. So we have write the command CRUD underscore local underscore users is equal to yes. So this command can only be in their own directories, and user login is limited to other directories and is only for its main directories. And when we want to set the specified users to execute CRUD, we can also use the command CRUD underscore list underscore enable equal to yes. So list in the file can be invoked, and the users listed in this file will not be able to switch to other directories other than their own directory after login. So thereby it is beneficial to the security management and the privacy to protect the FTP server. And the command CRUD underscore list underscore file equal to slash or is or other any specified path. So we can look at the image, and you may specify an explicit list of local users to CRUD to their home directory. If CRUD underscore local underscore user is yes, then this list becomes a list of user to not CRUD. So there are warnings. CRUD can be very dangerous if using CRUD. Make sure that the user does not have write access to the top level directory within the CRUD, and the CRUD have been used in command have been entering, and the CRUD underscore list underscore file equal to slash etc slash vsftpd dot CRUD underscore list have been used. So if we want to limit the user access, we can open or continue in the vsftpd.conf in an editor and uncomment the following command: CRUD underscore local underscore user equal to yes. Or we want to create a list file and edit the /etc /vsftpd.crud underscore list, and you can add one user per line. So you can instruct the FTP server to limit this list of users to their own home directories by editing with the command CRUD underscore local underscore user equal to yes, CRUD underscore list underscore enable equal to yes, and the last command CRUD underscore list underscore file equal to /etc /vsftpd.crud underscore list. So we look at the screen. You may activate the /r option to the built-in ls. This is disabled by default to avoid remote users being able to cause excessive I/O on large sites. However, some broken FTP clients such as NCFTP and Mirror assume the presence of the /r options, so there is a strong case for enabling it. And we can customization some of VSFTPD's settings don't fit the file system layout by default. And we have tried the command sudo nano /etc/vsftpd.conf, so configuration, and I continue with the command sudo nano /etc/vsft.configuration to display the possibilities, and we have used the command enclose semi sudo t/a/etc/vsftpd.userlist semi. So we can write that the command cat/etc/vsftpd.userlist semi, and the semi is shown in the file user list. And when we want to save the file and exit, we have to restart the FTP service with the command sudo system control restart vsftpd. And this is the file content of /etc/vsftpd.userlist. So when the user list /enable equal to yes, user list /deny equal to no appears as a pair of configuration at the same time. The white list of local users, if user list /deny equal to yes, then the user list is also a black list. And allow underscore writable underscore CRUD equal to yes if this option is not configured. The directory after FTP login must not have the right permission. If you have right permission, use the command chmod a until w to log in to the directories. And we can look at the content. It writes that it have enter the semi and space user list underscore enable equal to yes, user list underscore file equal to slash etc slash vsftpd dot user list, and user list underscore deny equal to no, and CRUD underscore local underscore user equal to yes, allow underscore writable underscore CRUD equal to yes, and have write a note that hi, my name is Nurul Amira Daini, and my member is Nurul Akma, Maisara, and Grace. That's all of the content, file content of slash etc slash vsft pd dot user list. And next, I will pass to my friend Amira.